Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So today I have a 16-inch round piece of MDF. I'm doing the bloom technique. I'm going to be doing a bloom swipe. Let's just go through the colors. I have my base is Glidden White, and then I tinted it with the Blue Lagoon Golden Teal. Colors I have Modern Masters Rose. Okay. Next I have Pthalo Turquoise by Golden. My recipe will be down in my description box, but it's the normal bloom recipe. This one is a Prizm Pour, and this is Royal Sapphire. Really pretty. Got that. Next one is a Colourarte pigment, and this one is Oasis. Really pretty. And the last one is a Colourarte pigment, and it's Angel Wings. This is kind of like, I think, like a iridescent. I don't know if it's a color shift or not. I guess I'll find out. This is a Bling It, I believe. Is it? Yes, it's a Bling It pigment. I put a little so I can see what it is. It's a Bling It pigment. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm gonna put my base down and get started. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. If you want to try any of these primary elements or the new Prizm Pour, go ahead and go down to my description box, click on the link, and save yourself 20%. www.colourarte.com and check them out. They're really awesome pigments. So let's get started. All right, guys, so I almost forgot. You saw the little promo in the beginning. So there's 5 of us doing a Halloween giveaway. You have to watch all 5 videos to collect all the clues to win the mega prize of an 18-piece Colourarte set. But you also have a chance to win in each video a 6-piece set. So make sure you watch, like, subscribe to all our channels, and collect those clues to get that mega set. But you do have this chance in each video to win the 6-piece set. So it's a really great chance to get some colors and try them out. Yeah, so that is October 31st, and I think it starts at 10 a.m. But hit the reminder bell. All right, guys, here we go.
on our skin.